Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hey, welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode, we are at our first car meet in Florida. As you can see, we got a couple bikes, we got some cars over here at Charlie's Steak and Wings, and hopefully this should be pretty good. Let's go check it out. But before we do, if you haven't done so, please go ahead, hit that subscription button, the notification bell, leave a comment below, a thumbs up. All that stuff is super helpful, greatly appreciated. It helps the channel grow and get some more visibility, and it also allows me to keep doing the things I do that I get to bring to you. So let's go check out the show. that was my first little mini car meet here in Florida. Wasn't bad. Some nice stuff sitting there, some not so nice stuff either, but you know, you all got to start somewhere, and that's really what matters. Everybody's just kind of hanging out, having a good time, having fun, as you can hear behind me. But that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to tune in for the next one, and if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscription button, the notification bell, and make sure to leave a comment below. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.